Hello friend, are you all to welcome Arpita Singh. Friends, the Indian strain of the coronavirus carries higher transmissibility similar to the UK variant, but there is little evidence so far of it being more lethal than the original virus experts have said. The B.1.617 variant of SARS-CoV-2, also being called a double mutant, or the Indian strain, has been found prevalent largely in Maharashtra and Delhi, that have been sadly hit by a devastating second wave. In many cities in Maharashtra, the worst hit state in the country, B B.1.617 variant was found in more 50% of samples on which genome sequencing was conducted, while the preparation of the UK variant was 28% in the second week of March. Sujit Singh, the director of the National Center for Disease Control, has said in a webinar on genome sequencing last week. Anurag Agrawal, the director of the Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, IGIB, told PTI, as far as we know, neither the UK variant nor this one B.1.617 is associated with increased severity of illness or death. UK strain is proven to have higher transmissibility, and B.1.617 may have increased transmissibility. High Court notice to SEO on reported deaths of poll officials, taking judicial notice of the reported death of 135 teachers, Shiksha Mitras, and investigations who were against Panchayat election duty. The Allahabad High Court on Tuesday issued notice to the Uttar Pradesh State Election Commission UPSEC to explain as to why it failed in checking non-compliance of COVID-19 guidelines during various phases of the Panchayat elections held recently. The court further said why action may not be taken against it and its officials, and why those responsible for violation of COVID norms may not be prosecuted. Hearing a PIL, public interested litigation relating to COVID care division bench comprising Justice Siddhartha Verma and Justice Ajit Kumar further directed the state election commissions to take immediately all such measures in forthcoming phases of the Panchayat elections in the state of ensure that the COVID guidelines dated April 2021 of social distancing and face masking are rigorously complied with, else action is liable to be taken against the officials involved in the election process. The court directed to put up this matter again on 3rd May 2021 and further directed that a copy of this order be placed before the Chief Secretary UP within 24 hours, while directing that this should be ensured at all costs that no one should die for want of oxygen. The court observed even after 7 decades of our attaining freedom with so many heavy industries set up, we are not able to provide oxygen to our citizens. It is a matter of shame. While directing the government to take urgent remedial measures, the court absorbed we make it clear that we will not tolerate any paperwork or public announcement to show account of the steps taken and its sufficiency, as it is now an open secret that government had gone complacent due to government weakening of virus impact by the end of 2020 in the state, and the government got more involved in other activities including panchayat elections. Had it been constantly vigilant, it would have prepared itself to face the onslaught of the pandemic in its second wave. Posterity would never forgive us if we remain oblivious to the real public health issues and let the people die for want of adequate health care. Thanks. जय हिंद, जय भारत.